I got the new mini babies. I don't know if this is new. It looks like a spring collection, but it's new to me. I've never seen it before. It says there's 15 babies to collect. That seems like an awful lot. So shall we? Oh, Bundles of Joy. That's the collection, Bundles of Joy. So let's open her up and see what we got here. They come with a pretend zipper that you just pull down, peel it off. This is a cute little round ball thing. So now, is it taped up? No, it's not taped up. So let's pop it. Oh, you know what? This. Yep, there we go. There's the little zipper pull on this one. Got to open it up. Give me a thumbs up if you were out there going, no, you got to pull the other one off too. Heck, just give me a thumbs up for fun. I deserve it because I spent money on these stupid things. But they're so cute. There we go. Okay, now I'll open it. Maybe. Yep, popped it open. Here's our goodies. Let's see, it says there were 15 of them. Let's see what they are. Oh, can you see that? There's a baby in a high chair, a baby on a scale, a baby in a sandbox or a pool, a baby in a bed, twins, 3 sets of twins in strollers, baby in a high chair. Oh, I see. They're saying that there's so many just because they offer different ethnicities. Okay, so let's see. I'm cheating. I'm feeling everything. Let's open this one up first. It's not a baby. Let's just see what we got. Or maybe I should open the baby up first. I don't know. Okay, we got a bunch of pieces. Oh, don't want you to see. Uh-oh. We're opening up the babies. There's 2 babies. Oh my gosh, I got twins. Maybe they all come with twins. I don't know. I don't think so, but I think I got twins. Here's baby number 1. It's so cute. Put it in the little round can. I did get twins. Oh my gosh. And baby number 2. Oh, that means that must be a stroller. Yep. See? Stroller. So let's open up this one. And here we have our, yes, our stroller pieces. Oh my good, oh, I got exactly that one. What fun. Well, that's a first. Okay, I'm gonna get babies dressed and then get them in the stroller and we'll have a look. I got the stroller together. It was a little bit of a challenge. It was funny because I couldn't figure out that this back piece actually went behind the seats to hold them. But here it is, and it's totally adorable. And then these are the dolls. They're all dressed up. They don't have diapers, which is too bad, so I hope they're potty trained. Anyway, the dress wasn't, well, yeah, it was kind of hard to get on it because as you can see, her little shoulder is still not covered. Oops. Sorry, baby, there went your hat. All right, well, I will work on that later. I tell you, these dolls are never coming out of these clothes because they were so hard to get on. This little boy outfit is so cute, the little romper, but this took me probably at least minimum 5 minutes of struggling to get his little clothes on. So it's hard, and I have to cut off a string there, so yep, you don't see that. And I felt like I was doing baby abuse while I was trying to put these little clothes on these dolls because it was such a tight fit. But anyway, there you have it. I can't believe that I got twins. I think that is so, so cool. All right, stay with me. I have another unboxing. See you in the next video.